Hello, my name is Braxton Arcade, and today I'm going to be showing you a website I made. Wrong page. A website that I made with me and my friend. He had to drop out due to personal reasons, but I helped finish the website. Here's the copyright down here if anybody'd like to read that. But this website is completely mobile accessible. Every single page has media queries to create the best mobile experience. There. Don't know why it does that. Whenever I accidentally grab too close to here, it just drags the page and not the actual things, and then it messes up. But every page, so then I can go to login and then log into my email. We'll log into test first. But, okay. Ooh. How do I exit this now? Go into the very top corner. There we go. Then just some little things I've done. Added your reported items so you can see the items you reported and rejected. See if it's rejected, accepted, or pending still. You can also see claims, like see if they're rejected, see if they're approved. All of these images also are based on, I just grabbed random placeholders. I have this right here to where I can create more items that I've found. Also, just add some random image. I mean, I've just been clicking on my images. We'll add my old website from last year. Then that is another reported item. If I can reload the page now. I don't know how to reload it without going up here. But we're gonna see this right here. You can see all of the items that have been accepted. And then go back to profile, actually go back to home. Oh wait, no, why did I do that? Log out and then go back to log in right here and then sign in using your admin email. You can see new jobs and everything. Then you can accept these or disapprove them. I don't know how else I would describe that. Is my database still up? Yes. Then I can create new users, just random. I mean, I've just been boom, boom. Make sure it's capital. Oh, dang it. I forgot a number. There we go. Then it creates a new user. Then I have teachers. Then I have students. Then I have claims. I forgot to make a claim. Dang it. But here's approved claims and rejected claims. Then I can log out. Oh, yeah. I was going to show that that page was fully, had media queries to make it fully reactive. So if I do this, inspect source. So right there, I can use this and it brings it out. Yeah, time to get on to the fun stuff, the code. I built this entire thing using GitHub, which I typically don't use. I probably should though, starting to. I used Ingrok, which was it's called a tunneling service where it uses my local storage or local server and puts it onto a website, and then that website can be used by this website. It's pretty confusing, but it allows me to host from my PC. So I'm actually using Pocket Base, which is these are all my citations, by the way. I'm using Pocket Base, which right here, I'm hosting the server on my computer right now. And you can actually see the dashboard right here. So all of this is made by my computer. As you can see, it's local server right there. And then pretty much what Ingrok is doing is it's putting it to a URL. Then for the rest of my code, we have just basic CSS. I mean, I did program this in Sass for the first half of it, and then for profile and for authentication and admin, I all programmed in CSS because I tried to work on my Sass capabilities, but I did not want to incorporate that in GitHub. So I just went up with CSS, and then with for JS, all of these are just snippets. Just all of the actual major JS are located in the files themselves. So like, it's a lot of lines, but if you can read through all of these, it's basic. It's DOM, document object model manipulation. So, I mean, if you're proficient in that, it's pretty easy. I am not, so it took me a little while, but a lot of trial and error, I got there. Using a local server on my PC helped a lot for me to learn how to use DOM because typically I'm just like, oh, I'll just read up on like Firebase or Supabase, which I did last year. I barely did any comments. I mean, I did like one or two maybe in a couple files, but then I used basic HTML structure to structure all my classes and or structure all my divisions. So my divs, my buttons, my LIs, so my lists, my unordered lists, my and then I did hypertext reference. So a lot of this is just basic things, basic introductory HTML. This is just a mock design. Hopefully soon I'll get to continue to grow on it. I've just been really busy recently with a lot of college. Then, I mean, there's a lot more I can talk about. For all of my major files like this, I check the server and sees if the users are logged in or not into the login system. Using roles, and it tells you if you're not logged in and somehow you make it into that, it'll kick you out immediately. I did a different way in this because I wanted to use timeout, so it immediately did it every second. It checked, and after it sees if you aren't logged in, it'll kick you out immediately. Then all of this code is structured in HTML, JavaScript, and CSS are both in files. And then I put my citation in its own file, and then my Pocket Base into its own file. Then, I mean, everything else is structured on my PC. Thank you for listening.